Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. We're back at the old Royal University Hospital demolition on Wednesday the 26th of March 2025. As you can see, the red rig moved around to the front, and I believe it moved around at the end of last week. So we'll check in on progress is made there. Well, you can see from here really. We'll see what he's done around the back. Also, we're going to start around the back actually, because the orange rig is right at the top, at the back of that section of the ward building. We're going to run into, we'll go around the back, see what the situation is, and then we'll end the video last 10 minutes or so with the footage from the red rig. We're going to walk from area to area each time. It's going to be too much effort. So we'll start with the orange rig and the video with the red one. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. Looks like they're picking up pace on taking down the ward building. See you after the intro all. I've just come round to the side to give you a quick glance of how all the groundwork is looking. That's basically what's left of the yellow big rig. Let's go towards the right. So I'll give you that angle. That's why I wanted to start around the back first, because the orange rig is right at the top. I'll get some good footage there, so we'll head there next. Just come round to the back. You can make out where all the stairwells were. See all the imprints into the wall there. So both rigs have been cracking on well. As you look across to the other section of the ward building, you can see it's gone all the way down. That red rig did, all the way down to the bottom. He took a massive section out there last week, and he's already taken a massive section off the front as well. So he's really done well. He's back onto the orange rig. Trying to get that big piece off there. Just fell onto that little floor underneath it. Where it's cutting into now is quite a thick floor. You can just see all the dust pouring from it basically. Maybe there's not as much metal in there as I thought. It's a perfect day for demolishing stuff. don't know what that green unit is up there. If you know, put it in the comment section. Is it electrics or something? He's trying to take it out, I think. There it goes. Whoa, that just fell apart. A little bit more of that unit up there. Whatever it was, I think it's to do with electrics. There ain't much left of it now. That all fell inside the wall somewhere. Next floor down probably. You can just see how far each extension is on that orange rig. It's really much full extended now. And it goes right to the very top. I think there's a problem with this orange rig. You see him getting back in there, he's doing some checking on the top. And he looked across to his mate over there and he went like this. So I don't know if there's a problem with it. We'll just stay there, see if he gets it going again. The cab's just risen back up, so I think whatever it was, they're bringing it down. That's got a problem. I don't know what it was. So with them bringing the extensions down, it looks like they're going to bring the whole machine down, have a look what's gone wrong with it and why they do that and sort it out. We'll head towards the front and have a look what the red rig is up to. Meet me around there. Hopefully the orange one will get fixed soon, whatever it was. So we move round to the front of the old Royal University Hospital. Have a look how the demolition is going. With one rig out of action, one remains. And that's the progress from the top. just 4 days, 5 days. It's really good going, considering they took out that massive section at the back of this section of the wood building also. Very impressive. Quick glance across. That's it. He's going for the other wall. That's what I wanted to see. I was just latching onto that other wall. I missed the first one going down, but I'm going to capture this one for you. As soon as he's cut that off, that's the only support really. It should just push straight over.
I like this piece of shit.
He's going to go for it.
So they finish at 1:30?
Yeah, for lunch.
Till 2:30?
Yeah. He's going to push it off, I think. It's rocking a little bit. Going to be flying glass and all sorts in a minute.
If he was doing the other side, he'd be alright round the back.
Yeah, so there goes the upright.
So what kit has KC got? Because he just seems to be walking and talking to himself, and then he just turns around and he's got this.
Yeah,
he's
got the
gimlet.
He's got the DJI Pocket 3. Next one up from this. There it goes. So with that wall being taken down, it looks like this rig is finished on that section for now because he's backing down backwards. So I don't know if they're going to double tag that section, but we'll wait and see where he goes with it. But they're normally going there dinner around half an hour's time, so I'll get what footage I can now, and then that'll be it for me today. But I've been well impressed by this machine and what it's done so far around the back of the wall building and that whole section there. Might be worth DSM and investing in a couple of these machines. As he turns around, the driver's got his shades on. It's definitely weather for that, with the sun beaming down midday. Come back around the back to see where that red rig went to. It's right here. Just there. I think it's going to take over where the orange one was, and the orange one's been moved right up there now in the direction where the ambulance is going. So why they stay up there, fix it. I'm guessing this one will carry on taking down this section of the ward building. So it looks like that one was a shorter update today with problems that are hitting these machines, but they do go through a lot of strains, taking down the ward building bit by bit, piece by piece. But lately, since this red one arrived from Scotland, pace picked up massively, and I don't think it was a big problem with the orange one, so I think we'll see it back in action very soon. Don't forget to click like, don't forget to click share, please don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you again maybe Friday, and we'll get some more footage then. I think both rigs will be back in action long before Friday. Catch you for the next one, or wherever you are in the world. Bye for now.